Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. Today, we will discuss future tense. Future tense refers to the activities that are going to take place in the future. Like present tense and past tense, future tense is also divided into four: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. With all the future tenses, that means with the simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous, we have to use will or shall according to the subject. How to use will and shall? We have to use shall with the subjects I and we, and will with the rest of the subjects. At the same time, we can use will with we and I also. But shall, we have to use shall only with the subjects I and we. So what we learned? We can use will with all the subjects but shall with the subjects I and we. That is the difference between the usage of will and shall. First one, simple future tense. We use simple future tense to refer to an action that is yet to take place. That means to refer an action which is going to take place in the future. The form of simple future tense is subject plus will or shall plus V1. V1 means first form of the verb or the base form of the verb. Here with both with singular and plural subjects, we have to use V1, first form of the verb, without S or ES. Here no need to use S or ES form with singular nouns. Example, we shall eat in the canteen tomorrow. We shall eat in the canteen tomorrow. Why we use shall? Because subject is we. Then eat is the first form. So we shall eat in the canteen tomorrow. Another example, he will give you a pen. He will give you a pen. We can use going to also instead of will or shall. For example, I am going to meet my friend tomorrow. I am going to meet my friend tomorrow. So how can we use it with shall? I shall meet my friend tomorrow. So instead of will and shall, we can use going to also to refer future actions. Second one, future continuous tense. We use future continuous tense to refer to an action that will be going on at some time in the future. The form of future continuous tense is subject plus will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. There we have to use the word be. For example, by this time tomorrow, he will be traveling with his parents. By this time tomorrow, he will be traveling with his parents. Another example, by this time next year, I shall be writing another book. By this time next year, I shall be writing another book. So with the subjects I and we have to use shall, and with the rest of the subjects, we have to use will. What is the form of future continuous? Subject plus will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. Third one, future perfect tense. We use future perfect tense to refer to an action that will be completed by a certain time in future. The form of future perfect tense is subject plus will or shall plus have plus V3. With all the subjects, we have to use have. So subject plus will or shall plus have plus third form of the verb. For example, I shall have reached in Chennai by this time tomorrow. I shall have reached in Chennai by this time tomorrow. Another example, before you reach the library, he will have left. Before you reach the library, he will have left. Fourth one, future perfect continuous tense. We use future perfect continuous tense to refer to an action that will have started already and will still be happening or still be going on or continuing till a certain time in the future. That means an action that will have started already and will still be happening, still be continuing till a certain period in the future. The form of future perfect continuous tense is subject plus will or shall plus have been plus ing form of the verb. Subject plus will or shall plus have been plus ing form of the verb. For example, by 2021, Nigel will have been studying in the school for 10 years. By 2021, Nigel will have been studying in the school for 10 years. So, we learned simple future, future perfect, future continuous and future perfect continuous tense today. What is the form of simple future? The form of simple future tense is subject plus will or shall plus V1. Then what about future continuous? The form of future continuous tense is subject plus will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. Third one, future perfect. The form of future perfect tense is subject plus will or shall plus have plus V3. Then the form of future perfect continuous tense. The form of future perfect continuous tense is subject plus will or shall plus have been plus ing form of the verb. We have some textual activities related to this. Let's do it now. Page number 90, activity J. Choose the correct options and fill in the blanks. Also write the form of future tense that you have chosen. First one, do you think that someday people dash living on Mars? The two options are will be and will have. The answer is, do you think that someday people will be living on Mars? Which tense it is? It is future continuous tense. What is the form of future continuous tense? Subject plus will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. Second one, Ritika dash completed the portrait by tomorrow. Options are will have and will be. The answer is Ritika will have completed the portrait by tomorrow. It is future perfect tense. What is the form of future perfect tense? Subject plus will or shall plus have plus V3. Find out the answers of the rest of the questions. Page number 91, activity K. Read the telephone conversation between Vriddhi and Stuti. Underline the verbs in the future tense. Rewrite the conversation using the going to form. So we have to use going to instead of the future tense. First one is given as an example. Vriddhi. Hello Stuti, this is Vriddhi. Will you be visiting me tomorrow? So which is the verb in the future tense underlined here? Will be visiting. So instead of this will be visiting, we have to use going to. So what is the answer? Hello Stuti, this is Vriddhi. Are you going to visit me tomorrow? Next one. Stuti. No Vriddhi, my family and I will be leaving for Kochi tomorrow morning. We shall be spending a week there. So which are the verbs in the future tense given here? First one, will be leaving. And second one, shall be spending. How can we change it into going to form? The answer is, no Vriddhi, my family and I are going to leave for Kochi tomorrow morning. We are going to spend a week there. Do the rest of the activities yourself. Children, you have an art integrated project for this year. The topic for the project is draw a picture related to flood and write an article on the after effects of flood in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. You have to send the project on or before 28th of December by 2 p.m. to the review test email ID, that means to which you send your answers. You will get further information regarding this project in the coming sessions. That's all for today. A YouTube URL is attached. Watch the video. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. We can meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.